after the discussion, if you feel good, if you feel good about the money, if you feel good about the person, the job and how it goes, what you can say? Thank you. It's been such a great pleasure to work with you. I love compliment them. I love your energy. I love your personality. I love the restaurant. It's very nice. It's brilliant. It's a very nice, it seems to be a very nice place to work. I wonder what is the next step from now onwards. And you can add what is the next step for us from now onwards. Other question where you ask, when can we start? What is the next step and when can we start? And then in the end, when you stand up, watch them in the eyes, smile, smile. When you have your last contact, smile. If there's a shake hand, there's a shake hand. And when you go, have an open body language. When, I like to ask you here, and this is very important, when you have a friend, a very good friend that goes, is it straight away, guy, and you go and you turn your back? Or is something, or you go, thank you, very nice to see you. Yeah, thank you for your time, I really appreciate it. Move slowly, depends, look what is on your back. Move slowly, don't turn your back straight away. Walk slowly. Yes, nice to see you, thank you very much, I really appreciate it. Take that time at the end. Establish, smile. This is magic. Ideally, wait for them to turn around. Other way, you turn around at some point. However, keep this for 3 to 5 seconds. Let's go. Do it. Don't trust me? Do it. I hope you enjoyed it. How did you find it? I would love to hear how did you find it. And is it hard? What I'll invite you is to practice. It's been a long session. I'll invite you to reflect. I know we have only a couple more videos. Reflect, look back and practice this daily. This is fun.